Welcome back. In this segment, we'll take a look at building closet systems that are over 8 feet high. Assuming that your sheet goods come in 8-foot lengths, then you'll have to build your closets with stacked cabinets. So we'll explore how we should set this up in cabinet sense. So for our example, we're going to build 10-foot high closets, and we will have an 8-foot section and a 2-foot section. So in reality, I'm going to set my bottom cabinets at 95 1/4, and I'll just say that that will be my closet standard. The reason being, when I turn on System 32, it'll keep my height less than 8 feet. So let's go to the project component, and let's take a look at our mounts. This is the section where we tell Cabinet Sense where cabinets get mounted on the wall. So I've set my upper cabinet to be 95 1/4 inches off the floor. So when we go back, I've now got a folder for stacked cabinets, which is in essence my 2-foot high cabinets. And let's just drag out a corner angle cabinet. It's 2 feet. When I throw it up, it stacks on top of the other corner, but the only reason it does that is the fact that I've said it is vertically aligned to the upper cabinet mount, again, which on the project component is set at 95 1/4 inches. If I go in and change this after the fact, I'll just say it's 100 inches. Our cabinets that are tagged as being upper now get mounted at 100 inches. So that's how we're going to control the height later on if we need to change the height. Okay, so in essence, we are just going to rebuild the upper set of cabinets in the same manner that we build the lower. And I've put together a small library of components, and we have a filler, same as our tall filler, except this one is only 2 feet high. We'll drag out now. I can go and re-equalize, or I can simply use SketchUp inferencing engine and drag it to where the lower cabinet partition is. So we would go ahead and rebuild the rest in the same manner. So I'll just put together one wall, and I have an empty container. Let's go in here, grab an empty container, and all it is a top and a bottom, and it does generate line boring holes as well. So in essence, doing exactly the same thing that we did as when we built the bottom cabinets. When we're done, we'll go through the same exercise. We'll draw our crown all the way around our top, and we're done. But now, let's just go to the final stage, jump ahead, where we are now getting ready to do our pre-production review. We want to go back and turn on System 32. So let's just see what has to happen. So we'll go to Construction Settings. I'm going to set my nominal thickness to 19 millimeters again. And it's busy reworking the model right now. So there's a slight gap now, because if we look at our main cabinets, they're approximately 95 1/4, in fact 24/1905 millimeters. So if we wanted to set these top cabinets back down to to physically touch the main cabinets. We would go in and set our mounts to 2419/05 millimeters. And now everything is back in sync. And of course, we turned on system 32, so our upper cabinets are no longer 24 inches. They are 595/05 millimeters, or approximately 23 7/16. And all of our parts have been resized. And that's basically all there is. You can build out your upper cabinets the same way that you build your base, make different kinds, and go ahead and send it to your CNC. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.